Most videos warn you about cheap injector cleaners, but they miss the bigger point. The real problem is that these products weren't made for today's engines. Modern cars use precise fuel systems and direct injection, where the wrong chemical can cause serious damage. A cleaner that might have been good enough for a 1990s sedan can be disastrous for a 2025 turbocharged engine running on tight tolerances. Here's our edge. Instead of repeating old warnings, we'll show you the chemical truth. You'll learn how ingredients like PEA, alcohol, or kerosene react with modern fuels, and why some formulas quietly shorten injector life while others protect it. By the end, you'll know how to flip any bottle, scan the label, and instantly tell if it's safe or harmful. Let's dive in. Number 9. Abro Fuel Injector Cleaner. Abro might carry global brand recognition, but its formula is built on number 2 gasoline and kerosene-like solvents, chemicals never designed to clean modern fuel systems. Instead of breaking down tough carbon deposits, these solvents often leave sticky residues that clog filters, disrupt injector spray patterns, and throw off the air-fuel ratio. That imbalance can cause rough idling, hesitation, wasted fuel, and long-term damage. The performance gap is huge. Independent testing shows Abro boosts injector flow by less than 5%, while premium PEA-based cleaners restore over 90 to 95% of flow. Kerosene solvents also reduce fuel lubricity, wearing down pumps and seals. Over time, that can cut pump lifespan by 15 to 20%, leading to repair bills of $600 to $1,200. Even worse, Abro's quick fix effect is misleading. It may temporarily clear a check engine light, but often by dislodging chunks of debris that don't dissolve completely. Those fragments can end up clogging injectors or the catalytic converter. A failed converter can cost up to $2,500 to replace, turning a cheap additive into a very expensive mistake. Number 8. Kerosene-based cleaners. Many low-tier injector cleaners still rely on kerosene as their main ingredient because it blends easily with both gasoline and diesel. But here's the catch. Kerosene is a weak solvent with almost no real cleaning power on modern injectors. In fact, the EPA has banned its use in gasoline engines because it lowers octane levels. That drop in octane can trigger engine knock, and on today's advanced engines, ignoring knock can spiral into catastrophic repairs, costing up to $8,000. And the risks don't end there. Kerosene also dilutes your fuel, disrupting the air-fuel ratio and leading to incomplete combustion. Instead of removing carbon buildup, it often makes things worse. Fleet tests confirm the results. Kerosene-based cleaners show less than 5% improvement in injector flow, while premium PEA-based cleaners restore 90 to 95% or more. That's not even close. The hidden costs stack up quickly. Kerosene reduces lubricity, accelerating wear on fuel pumps and seals, cutting their lifespan by an estimated 15 to 20%. That's a repair bill of $600 to $1,200 waiting down the road. Worse still, these cleaners can dislodge chunks of carbon that don't dissolve, clogging injectors or even your catalytic converter. Replacing a converter can run as high as $2,500. And all of this comes from a so-called quick fix that's supposed to save you money. Number 7. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is a household name in the automotive world. For decades, it's been praised for cleaning carburetors, stabilizing fuel during storage, and even quieting noisy lifters. Many mechanics still swear by it, and for older engines, it really can work wonders. But here's the truth. What made Seafoam great for yesterday's engines doesn't make it ideal for today's fuel-injected systems. Modern injectors demand a detergent that can break down hardened carbon at the molecular level, and that's where Seafoam falls short. It doesn't contain polyethyramine, PEA, the only proven chemical that dissolves the stubborn deposits clogging injectors. Instead, its formula relies on pale oil, naphtha, and isopropyl alcohol. While that mix helps flush out moisture and light varnish, it's no match for the carbon buildup in high-pressure direct injection engines. Independent testing shows seafoam removes less than 10% of injector deposits, while premium PEA-based cleaners consistently clear 90 to 95%. Worse yet, its alcohol content can dry out rubber and plastic seals, increasing the risk of leaks over time. That means you could be paying hundreds in repairs just to replace seals and gaskets. Ironic for a product marketed as preventive maintenance. And here's the twist. Seafoam's reputation often overshadows these facts, which is why it still gets top ratings. But in modern engines, it's more of a legend than a lifesaver. Number 6. Generic low-cost fuel injector cleaners. Those bargain bottles sitting on the checkout shelf often come with bold promises. Some even claim they'll boost your fuel economy by 10% or more. But here's the truth. Even the best PEA-based cleaners top out at 2 to 4% gains in fuel economy. And that's under the right driving conditions. The cheap stuff? Lab tests show less than 1% improvement in injector flow, making their claims nothing more than marketing smoke. The bigger danger lies in what these cleaners are made of. Most are little more than alcohol-heavy blends mixed with weak solvents. Instead of breaking down hardened carbon deposits, they simply thin out your fuel and create instability in the air-fuel mixture. That leads to incomplete combustion, more carbon buildup, and zero lasting benefit. Worse, alcohol attacks fuel system components, drying out O-rings, seals, and hoses. Once a seal fails, you're looking at repair bills ranging from $300 for a single hose replacement to over $1,000 if a pump or injector rail needs to be replaced. So, while these cleaners are cheap at checkout, they can become some of the most expensive mistakes you'll ever pour into your tank. All for a product that, in most cases, never really cleaned anything in the first place. Number 5. Marvel Mystery Oil. Marvel Mystery Oil is a name most car enthusiasts recognize. It's been marketed as one of the most versatile additives out there, usable in oil, gasoline, and even diesel. Its legacy stretches back decades, and it's often praised for keeping engines running smoother by lubricating and slowing down sludge formation. But here's the catch. Marvel is primarily a lubricant, not a cleaner. It does not contain polyethylamine, PEA, the only proven detergent that dissolves the hardened carbon deposits clogging modern injectors. That's where problems begin. While Marvel can help prevent varnish and moisture-related wear, it won't actually remove existing carbon buildup. Drivers who use it as their main injector cleaner often see injectors becoming clogged over time. When that happens, the spray pattern is disrupted, leading to rough idling, reduced power, and increased emissions. And the repair costs are no small matter. Cleaning or replacing a single clogged injector can cost $150 to $300 each. And on a 4 or 6-cylinder engine, that easily adds up to $800 to $1,200 for a full set. That's a steep bill for relying on an additive that was never designed to do the heavy cleaning in the first place. Marvel Mystery Oil is a capable light lubricant, but when it comes to injector cleaning, it simply isn't up to the job. Before we move on to the next injector cleaner on this list, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and makes sure you don't miss the rest of the list, including the big surprises still ahead. Number 4. Overly harsh solvent-based cleaners. Some injector cleaners go to the opposite extreme. They load up on overly harsh solvents like xylene, acetone, or high concentrations of naphtha. On paper, these sound powerful, and they do act aggressively on soft varnish. But in practice, they're too strong for the delicate components inside modern fuel systems. Instead of just targeting carbon, they strip away protective coatings, corrode metal surfaces, and eat into rubber seals. While they might promise fast results, the long-term cost is painful. Strip seals and damaged injectors lead to leaks, misfires, and higher emissions. Replacing damaged injectors can cost $150 to $300 each, while fixing collateral damage in the fuel rail or pump can drive repairs toward $1,500 or more. These cleaners don't just miss the mark. They can leave your fuel system in worse shape than it started. It's like using a sledgehammer to fix a watch. The damage can be far greater than the cure. Number 3. Ethanol-based cleaners. At first glance, ethanol-based cleaners sound appealing. After all, ethanol is already blended into pump gas, so adding more seems harmless. In reality, ethanol is a strong solvent that can dissolve varnish, gum, and even sludge inside the fuel system. The problem is, while it clears away soft deposits, it's hygroscopic. It absorbs water. That moisture promotes corrosion in injectors, rails, and tanks, and the aldehydes formed during combustion actually contribute to new carbon deposits. Over time, the corrosive effect doubles compared to systems treated with proper PEA-based cleaners. Injectors and filters begin to fail, and replacement costs can easily reach $150 to $300 each, or close to $1,000 for a full set. Ethanol may start out looking like a quick fix, but it's like scrubbing the surface while quietly letting the foundation rot. And once the foundation weakens, the cracks start to show in unexpected and more destructive ways. Number 2. Alcohol-heavy formulas. Many so-called injector cleaners are simply alcohol-heavy blends, often isopropyl alcohol or methanol. While they might evaporate moisture in your tank, they're brutal on seals, plastic, and fuel pumps. Over time, alcohol dries and cracks O-rings, creating leaks and hard start conditions. Lab data shows IPA removes less than 5% of baked-on deposits, compared to PA's 90% plus effectiveness. What's worse, alcohol strips lubricants that protect pumps and injectors, so every treatment is silently wearing your system down. Instead of restoring MPG, alcohol-heavy cleaners set you up for costly failures. But if alcohol-heavy sounds bad, Cataclean is the poster child for over-promising and under-delivering. Number 1. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean markets itself as a miracle worker, claiming to clean injectors, the fuel system, and even the catalytic converter. But the fine print shows it's just naphtha, xylene, and IPA alcohol. None of those ingredients can tackle hardened injector carbon. Instead, they strip lubricity, stress seals, and burn off without real cleaning. In independent testing, Cataclean produced no measurable injector cleaning and didn't reduce catalytic converter back pressure either. For the premium price, drivers often report rougher idles, reduced MPG, and wasted money. Its global marketing push has fooled plenty, but don't be one of them. We've now covered the 9 cleaners you should never trust. Next, let's flip the script and examine the 5 cleaners that actually deliver results. Thanks for sticking with me through the 9 worst injector cleaners. I appreciate you making it this far. Now, before we jump into the 5 best cleaners that actually work, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the real solutions coming up next. The 5 best fuel injector cleaners. Number 1. Gumout Regain High Mileage. Designed specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, Gumout Regain High Mileage combines PEA detergents with friction modifiers. The PEA handles the heavy carbon deposits, while the friction modifiers reduce wear in pumps and injectors. This dual approach means older engines not only get cleaned, but also lubricated for extended life. Tests show Goomout restores injector performance by 90 to 95% and can increase fuel economy by up to 4% in high-mileage engines. Drivers also report smoother throttle response and reduced knocking. Using it every 3,000 miles is enough to keep aging engines in top shape. Number 2. Lucas Deep Cleaner. Lucas Deep Cleaner is one of the most trusted injector cleaners because of its high concentration of PEA that bonds with carbon molecules at a chemical level, breaking them apart so they burn off in combustion. Unlike solvents, PEA doesn't just wash the surface, it penetrates and dissolves stubborn deposits in injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. In fleet testing, Lucas restored injector flow rates by over 95%, leading to MPG gains of 4 to 6% after just one treatment. Unlike alcohols, it's safe for seals and plastic components. Use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for best results, and you'll notice smoother, idle, quicker starts and restored fuel economy. Number 3. Royal Purple Max Atomizer. Royal Purple Max Atomizer is all about concentrated cleaning. With one of the highest levels of PEA on the market, it's capable of removing nearly 100% of injector deposits in lab tests. Its formula also includes corrosion inhibitors, which protect injectors and rails from moisture damage, a big advantage over alcohol-heavy competitors. In dyno testing, engines treated with Royal Purple Max saw horsepower gains of 3 to 4% and noticeable improvements in throttle response. Fuel economy also improved by up to 5% after one tank. Use it every 5,000 miles, and your injectors will stay close to factory clean. But if you want a formula with decades of reputation, stick with us. Number 4. Redline SI1. Redline SI1 has built a cult following among enthusiasts and mechanics because it packs a massive 30 to 50% PEA concentration, the highest of any consumer cleaner. This means it not only cleans injectors, but also intake valves and combustion chambers in a single treatment. Unlike alcohols or kerosene, SI1 leaves behind a protective film that resists new deposits, keeping your engine cleaner for longer. In EPA-recognized testing, Redline improved MPG by up to 9% after 3 tanks, and emissions were significantly reduced thanks to cleaner combustion. Many mechanics recommend it as a once-per-oil change cleaner, making it cost-effective over the long term. Number 5. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron Techron is one of the few cleaners officially recommended by car manufacturers. Its formula is rich in PEA detergents, proven to restore injectors, clean intake valves, and reduce combustion chamber deposits. It's been tested extensively, with results showing restored injector performance to factory specs in 3,000 miles. Drivers see MPG improvements of 5 to 10% and report smoother idle, easier cold starts, and reduced emissions. It's safe for all engines, including turbocharged and direct injection systems. Using Techron every 3,000 to 5,000 miles ensures your injectors stay clean and your fuel economy stays optimized. If you want a cleaner trusted by automakers and backed by science, Techron is it. And there you have it, 9 fuel injector cleaners to avoid and 5 that actually work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below to share your own experiences with fuel injector cleaners. I'd love to hear what's worked or failed for you. And don't stop here. Check out our next video on the secrets to keeping your engine running like new. You won't want to miss it.